Here is our workshop. We have 12 CNC machines, 3 water machine and 6 micro-deco machine, 1 TTB machine, 2 anchor. TTB is from Switzerland. It's specially for making micro-size cutting tools. The high precision guaranteed a stable performance. Water is imported from Germany. It's famous for high precision in production that's guaranteeing the high quality and good performance. Its high power guarantees the high production efficiency. We have inspection equipment including PG1000, Zoller, microscope, laser micro gauge. PG1000 is to inspect the tool's sizes and runout. Zoller is to check the runout of tool holders. Guarantee the high precision in production. Avoid the vibration in CNC production process. Microscope is to check the tool's surface finished or not, or if has wearing or scraped tips. Laser micro gauge is to check the runout of finished carbide rods. All of our products are 100% inspection. Here are the grinding machines. This is to shape the mill and control the tolerance. After it's done, we take them to the inspection and go to the CNC workshop. Passivation makes the tool less sharp and more shining. Increases wear resistance and tool life. We support OEM logo customization. All goods are packed with bubble wrap and cotton to ensure the safety of delivery. We have sufficient stock for standard mills and drills. Welcome to consult.